Hello, everyone. This is Rafael, your host and founder of the Moving On podcast show. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create or make the most beautiful and professional and extraordinary tie knot. Watch it very carefully until the very end, since at the end is where the magic, I would say magic happens, but there's no magic to it. All we're going to be needing, it's a chopstick. I use a chopstick, but you can utilize or use a pen. Excuse me, a pencil, not a pen, a pencil, or something that you can, something similar to this one. All right, so are you ready? Let's get started. Let's have fun. I'm going to go through every step very slow in different angles so you can catch the entire video details how to create that beautiful tie knot that you can use it in your weddings, in your festivities, parties. If you are having a job interview tomorrow, hey, why not? Try. It's been one of my most beautiful tie knots I have ever created. Trust me on that. I loved it. People loved it. The reason it inspired me to do this video is because a lot of people have been asking me, Rafael, why don't you just put it out there, and share with the viewers out there. Hey, who knows? Some of them might like, some of them don't know. Maybe there's other knots, tie knots that are better than mine. But hey, I know you guys are gonna love it. I am very confident. Let's get started, guys. You ready? All right. This is the tie knot I'm just about to do for all of you. I'm gonna go very slow so you can catch all the movements, the angles, and all the details. All right, all you gotta do is practice and practice. So let's get to it, guys. All right, here's the tie that I'm going to be using. And you're short 1-2 buttons right there. That's how far you're going to take the end. It depends on your height, so you got to figure it out. But that's how I do it. All right. So hold this back end over, under, holding this. You're gonna go under. One more time. Over, hold it, here, you're gonna go under, trying to do it slow so you guys can catch it now. See, now we did first knot to my right, we'll be to your left. We're gonna do the one on your left, so you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Over, one more time. Over. Trying to catch it right here, then go over. This is the opposite, right? Now you got the two knots. Left, right. What you gotta do now is press it down. Hold this tight, push it down. It all depends. If you like a thick tie knot, you can do it a little loose, but I like it tight, small. You hold it this. If you can take a look, see how beautiful the little knot looks. This is the back end. And hold it. Then what you gotta do is bring the tie over and then under. Open the hole and then bring it under. One more time. We got two little knots already. You tie the back end tie, little knot. Hold it. You're gonna go over, holding the back end. Go over. Over. Grab it. Grab that. Open. Under. cover inside this hole, the loop that you just made, to start bringing it up into the outside. There you go, guys. Now, don't do anything. With a pen or stick, one of those chisco bar sticks, or be very careful and get hurt. I use or utilize one of the chopsticks, which I used to eat Chinese food, which I'm gonna do a video on how to utilize these things really good. But now let's stick to the tie knot. I don't want to confuse anybody. All right, so you're gonna put this stick inside the tie. You can always open it. See? Put it right there. Just leave it there. I'm gonna hold the stick. Watch what I'm doing. I'm holding with my two fingers the back end little tie, and with these two fingers I'm gonna hold this one. So I'm gonna go like this. Up and down, up and down, down. As you want, is to your desire. I like it very tight. Take it out. Now you start shaping it up a little bit. Watch what I'm doing. I don't let this one hold. Let go. Always keep it with my two fingers. Here's the secret, guys. 2 fingers. Ain't that beautiful? Look at that. Showing 3. 1, 2, 3. There goes the tie. Now, I'm going to shape it up a little bit. Make sure it's all straight. I'm going to do this. Hold it. Hold this. With this one. Bring it out. In, up. Bring it up. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to tie it. Not good. Notice how beautiful this one is, all straight. Now some people put this part inside the shirt. Sometimes I used to do that, but not anymore. What I do, each tie has its label. Put it right through there. If not, create one. With a tie. If you have a tie that doesn't have it, you can always do something. It serves a purpose, right? Notice. Hi. See it? Perfect. I mean, not perfect, but it's actually perfect. It's all about measurements. But it requires practice. I've been doing this for 40 years. I used to wear a suit on for my jobs. Back in the days, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and even 2000. I used to manage a lot of properties. I always wear a tie and suit. But now we're in Florida, so we don't wear too many ties often, and so But hey, sometimes I go out. I meet people. I do, live streaming, so I like to look good. So look, guys, don't worry about my face. I know it's not about me, it's about the tie. Let me get it's actually, in reality, in all honesty, I'm going to go and see someone in South Miami. We're doing a footage, a full video of this beautiful house of glory. We're going to be bringing this lady as a guest in our show. Her name is Miss Lara. She's the executive administrator of this glory house. It has to do with children trafficking. It's going to be a good show, guys, by the way. But anyways, we're going to talk about that later. It's coming up soon in our finale of season. Now, as our season ends very soon. Look, guys, how do I look? Honest, in all honesty, right? I'm ready for my meeting tomorrow, and this is what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. And I think for the most part, I'm in good shape to go down. Just got to shave a little bit, and put a little bit of you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, listen. Thank you for watching this video. It's all about making a little fun for you guys, and just be yourself. And I just wanted to share this with you. If you practice this often and often, you get to do it in about 10 seconds. I normally do this not in about 8 seconds, about 10 seconds. And it comes every time, comes the same way. So practice it. Show it to your kids, to your loved ones, to your brothers, And I'm very confident, guys. Next time you go to a party, trust me on this. People will look at you and say, wow, even if they don't probably express it to you, it's something that I always took pride in, looking good. And it's always nice to look good for people, people, and they judge you for the way you look sometimes, the way your appearance and all that. And it's always good to look organized, clean, cut, and with a beautiful tie knot. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. We love you. Until then.